Hey, it's Botanical Brian here at Colonial Gardens. Last week we talked about the winter months being difficult for birds. We talked about feeding them and giving them suet. We talked about keeping their water from freezing. Well, now we're going to take it to the next step. We're going to talk about creating a habitat for the birds in your yard. Here at Colonial Gardens we carry a huge variety of bird-friendly plants like spruce, holly, and chokeberry and deciduous holly, plants that will provide a good place for birds to nest in your yard and will hang around and stay in your yard. I wanted to feature one plant in particular. This is Black Haw Viburnum. Black Haw Viburnum is a great bird plant. It's also one of my favorite landscape plants. Beautiful white flowers in the springtime, burgundy fall color, and also these beautiful little berries that look like blueberries, and the birds really like these. This plant will grow in full sun. It will grow in a lot of shade as well, extremely drought tolerant and tolerant of different soils. It's one of my favorite plants for the landscape as well as for the birds. If you're interested in creating your own bird habitat, we have a newsletter coming out Monday, and if you get on our homepage and check out our newsletter, you can subscribe to our newsletter, and it'll be all about birding and bringing birds. Also, come on in and talk to me here at Colonial Gardens, and we'll create a bird habitat for your yard.